Welcome to Suzicle's Vlogs.
We missed eating fish, so I cooked sweet and sour tilapia dish. While we were at the market, we saw a lot of fruits and veggies that we rarely see in Bulacan. I'm supposed to vlog at the market, but it's hard to carry the camera while holding lots of stuff on my other hand. But if I have a drone that automatically follows me wherever I go, that's super grand, but no, I don't. While cooking, I'm thinking about my family way back home in Bulacan. I'm wondering what's their lunch and dinner. And I also miss our pets, Boki and Mama. This is my first time to be away from Bulacan for a long period of time. Thanks to technology, we can now communicate to our family when we're far from them. I'm now hungry, can't wait to eat. Due to tight schedule in the past, I couldn't cook anymore. So I grabbed this time to cook while I'm still adjusting to my work schedules since I became AVA. Since then, Papa Michael cooks and I sleep during daytime as I'm fully awake on my graveyard shift. Done cooking, we're now ready to eat. After our hearty lunch, I called Mama Sisa on Messenger video chat. We had a lot of catching up. Time is precious indeed.